Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating and complex systems in our body, the immune system. It's our body's natural defense mechanism, and it works tirelessly to keep us healthy. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's explore how our immune system fights infections. Welcome back to Explorosphere. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future scientific explorations. Every day, our bodies are exposed to countless microorganisms, many of which can cause disease. Thankfully, our immune system is always on guard, ready to protect us. But how does it do that? Let's break it down. First up, we have our innate immune system. This is the body's first line of defense. Think of it like a castle wall. Our skin, mucous membranes, and even tears act as barriers, preventing invaders from getting inside. But what happens when these barriers are breached? That's when our immune system goes into high gear. Meet the soldiers of our innate immune system, like macrophages and neutrophils. These cells are always on patrol, looking for anything that doesn't belong. When they find an invader, they attack it head-on. This process is called phagocytosis, where the invader is engulfed and destroyed. Pretty cool, right? But sometimes, the innate immune system needs backup. That's where the adaptive immune system comes in. This part of the immune system is highly specialized and learns to recognize specific invaders. B cells are like the body's weapon manufacturers, creating antibodies that lock onto specific pathogens and mark them for destruction. Meanwhile, T cells are like special forces, targeting and eliminating infected cells. One of the coolest things about the immune system is its memory. After fighting off an infection, the body keeps a record of the invader with memory cells. This means if the same pathogen attacks again, the immune system can respond even faster and more effectively. This is also how vaccines work. They train the immune system by introducing a harmless piece of the pathogen, so your body knows how to fight it in the future. To keep your immune system in top shape, it's important to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Eat a balanced diet, get regular exercise, sleep well, and manage stress. These habits give your immune system the support it needs to protect you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you next time. Comment down below what videos you would like to see next.